Good morning, students. Welcome to 7th standard. Today we are going to learn a new chapter on multiplication and division of integers. Now, before we start with this new chapter, I want everybody to open page number 11 of your mathematics textbook and move to next line. Thank you. Students, first we will see what are integers. Integers are those which are present on a number line. As you can see, 0 is the origin, that is a whole number. Now, on right hand side, there's all positive number till infinity, and on left hand side, there's all negative number till infinity. So children, integers consist of a whole number, positive numbers and negative numbers. As you can see, it is clearly written here that integers will not consist any kind of a fraction and any kind of a decimal number. I hope you all understand. Move to next. Okay student, before proceeding to solve further, I would like to tell you one thing, that why we are studying integers. What is the use to study this topic? So student, let me tell you, integers, as I told you, it consists of positive, negative number and whole number. So it is used in many ways. For an example, if we measure a temperature, like in certain countries, for an example Switzerland, sometimes this temperature goes below 0 degree. I'm repeating below. The word below means less than 0. So but obvious, if it is less than 0, then we will count it as minus. In negative sign we will write it as. So it is used. Next, again, if the temperature is above 0 degree, we are going to maintain in a positive sign, like we are going to write in a positive number. Okay, for an example, if the sea boat is on the sea level, again, if we have to measure some obstacle inside the river or inside the sea, so again we are going to measure below. Again the word came below. Below means again it will be measured in a negative number. So below sea level, if we are going to measure in a negative number. Above sea level, again positive number. Owing money, if you are owing something, owing means losing, okay, loss, so again it will be in negative. Earning money will be written as a positive. Having debt, student, debt means कर्ज. Okay, कर्जा you have took na from anyone. If someone took, so that is called debt. So having debt means again it is loss. Again it will be in negative sign. Having money in the bank, you're having money in the bank, it will be positive sign. Basement car level, as sometime I want to go in my basement. Okay, so again basement means ground. Basement means under the ground. Again I'm talking about under, below. So again it will be in a negative sign. Floors above ground level, again it will be positive. So on. So student, here is the examples where positive negative numbers are being used. Students, we have learned how to add and subtract an integers using some rules and principles. Here this rule and principle is the same for multiplying and dividing an integers. As you can see, whenever a positive number is divided or multiplied by a positive number, the product will be positive. Whenever a negative number is multiplied or divided by a negative number, the product will be again positive. Whenever a negative number is multiplied or divided by a positive number, the product will be negative. Whenever a positive number is multiplied or divided by a negative number, the product will be negative. As you can see, in previous class, whenever we were adding or subtracting an integers, we consider a greater number sign. But whenever you will multiply or divide any integers, we are not going to consider a greater number sign. Directly we are going to put whatever is mentioned in this rule. Am I clear? Okay students, now we are going to solve practice set 8 based on principle of multiplying and dividing integers. As I told in earlier slide about principles of integers. So first question we are having -5 multiplied by -7. Okay, according to the rule, whenever minus multiplied by a minus, the product will be positive. Okay, so 5 sevens are 35. Here no negative sign, as I mentioned earlier only, that whenever you are dividing or subtracting, that time we are considering a greater number sign, but the rule changed for multiplying and dividing. Here we are not going to consider any greater number sign. We are going to write as it is mentioned in the principle. Okay, so negative, whenever negative is multiplied by a negative, it will give a positive number. So the product will be positive. So 5 sevens are 35, as I written already. Now come to question number second. 9 multiplied -9 multiplied by 6. So 9 6 are 54, but negative number multiplied by a positive number. So the product will be negative. Okay, are you getting students? The product will be negative. So 9 6 are 54. So -54. Now third one, 9 into 4. Again a positive number multiplied by a negative number. So again the product will be negative. Okay, so 9 4s are 36 -36. Now 8 sevens are 56, but here again positive number multiplied by a negative number, so -56. Now student, remaining sum, I hope you all understood. Now remaining sum you are going to solve into your notebook, as well as you are going to solve these sums also. Okay student, now we came to practice set 9. Again here we are going to follow the same rule of multiplying and dividing of integers, the rule which I have earlier discussed. Okay, I want every student to learn that by heart. Okay, then it will be easy for you all to solve the sums. Even I want everybody, if you are in a 7th standard, at least minimum till 20 you should know tables. Till 20 you should know, you should by heart tables. Okay, now students, see question number 1 of practice set 9. -96 divided by 16. Okay, again as you all know, negative number divided by a positive number, it will give a negative answer. Okay, so the answer will be -6. Now see second sum student, 98 divided by 28. Again here a positive number is divided by a positive number is divided by a negative number, so the product will be in negative, -7 upon 2. Okay student, third sum and fourth one is same. third, fourth and fifth are same. So let's see sixth one. Here minus 150 divided by minus 25. As I told you, minus divided by minus will give the answer in positive. Okay, so 6, as you know, and all the answers are, you can take out other sums, you can do by yourself as we did it. I hope everyone's understood. Okay student, now practice at 9 second sum. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. So student, now this is little tricky question, but its solution is very easy to solve. So now what we have to do is the fractional form of 24 upon 5. The fractional form should be 24 upon 5, means that 24 upon 5 should be answer means we'll have to multiply, जिसका प्रोडक्ट 24 upon 5 आना चाहिए. Are you understanding student? We have to do anything so that we get the answer product as a 24 upon 5. So we can see that the reduced form of 24 upon 5 is not possible, but we can increase it, like we can do multiply. If we reduce multiple form, we will get 24 upon 5. So we are going to divide 24 upon 5 by 2. So 24 upon 5 into 2 means divide by 2. We'll get the answer 48 upon 10. If we will do the reduced form, we will get the answer 24 upon 5. If we are doing multiply, the numerator and denominator should be multiplied by the same number. Are you understanding? Okay student, so second 24 upon 5. Now next we are going to do divide by 3. So we are getting 75 upon 15. 72 upon 15. Now next is by 4 we are going to divide. So the product will be 96 upon 10. Again the reduced form 48 upon 10. Now last we are going to do divide by 5, and the product will be 120 upon 25. We can do this in a reduced form. I hope you understood this. Okay student, now question number 3 is same as we solved in previous question, that is second one. So here only the difference is we are having negative sign, that is minus 5 upon 7. In the same way, we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. We'll get the answer. For an example, minus 5 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 3. We'll get the answer minus 15 upon 21. Again, minus 15 upon 21 you can do in a reduced form. For an example, 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are. So minus 5 upon 7 will be the reduced form. You can write minus 5 upon 7 as well minus 15 upon 21. Now in the same way we have to take out 3 fractional form. So multiplied by 4, again multiplied by 5. Hence the 3 divisions of integers are minus 15 upon 21, minus 20 upon 28 and minus 25 upon 35. I hope you understood. Okay student, now question number 4. The fish in the pond below carry some numbers. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplication with those number. As you can see, this pond Okay student, now question number 4. The fish in the pond below carry some numbers. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplication with those numbers. As you can see, this pond is given. In this there is some fishes. They carry certain number. For an example, as you can see, plus 13, plus 19, plus 12, etc. So from this we have to pick up any 4 pair of number and then we have to multiply and get the product. Again we are going to remaining 4 pair, we are going to pick up remaining 4 pair and we are going to do the division and write down the product. Now student, it depends on your will which number you want for divisions and which number for multiplication. As example is also given, as you can see, minus 13 into minus 15 is equals to 195. Now second example is of division. Minus 24 divided by 9 is equals to minus 24 upon 9. As here only one negative sign is present, that's why minus 24 upon 9. Reduced form is minus 8 upon 3. I hope student you have understood. Okay student, now we are going to stop here as the chapter ends. I hope you all have understood the entire chapter. If any doubt is there, you can message me and I am going to explain it again. I want everybody to write each and every question and